wa dilotse ho san rate nko mpuditse re ha o rate Thabiso I stop wasting my time wena o busy le ngwanyana hao ka makala man o go bathroom you don't answer my phone ke motlhodi wa for o ntshite Thabiso ka banyana ba ba 100 and something so we itse he sna gola mo boy aya go wa ke a bo sintse go di sela tsamaile la bo we khethetse ho yo tjana ho yo kreya ngwanyana a itele ngwanyana o flinkisa ke marago ya ne shame motho a phela bohloko a phela bohloko mo lenyalong o iphelela bohloko motho mo lenyalong motho fa ya kono o divorce antloele he ke antlohetse khale we've been fighting after lenyalo for so many times ambotso re eno ta change but this is what he chose to do. This is what he chose to do. Yeah, it's I repeat I'm
You over 100 and something side chicks hayi shem abanye abantu abadlali la ngaphandle hayi your family welcome to all trending Mzansi but bomgosi uThabiso and Precious have been trending for quite some time now. We know them from TikTok because they always create some nice and cozy family content. Well, from what they give us, we see them as a well-structured family. Aibo, until now, when Precious revealed that her husband has been cheating on her for quite some time now, and he is not just cheating with one girl, but it is over 100 and something girlfriends. How is Thabiso making time with all of these women? That is my first question. And how is he actually doing it? Over 100 and something? Aisha, Putiza, awudlali wena oyi 6 gun yangempela. Because haibo, what the hell is happening here? But see, because of the frustration and being overwhelmed, Precious took it to social media whereby she exposed her husband's cheating. You and Mzansi will always have something to say. And they spotted something from that video where they were in the bedroom, judging them, saying that hi boss Sisi, after all the content that you guys have been serving us with all the Chanel's item and Gucci items, and this is how your bedroom looks like. It is quite embarrassing and shocking. I guess, Sana. But I think, because this is because they are in the process of renovating the house. If, of course, they're still together. But if not, Aigoningi, this shows Uguti, most of the people who constantly share their lives on social media platforms, they do not always share everything that people need to see. Look at those expensive shopping bags on top of that headboard. The tiling on the floor. Everything in that room, it is quite messed up. But that is not the main story here. The main story here is that Thabiso una over 100 and something side chicks, which is indeed shocking. Aibo, what era are we currently living in, Ganti? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.